Before we begin, let's talk about texture. Texture is one of our elements of art, so we can use texture as part of our art language to describe what we see when we're looking at a piece of artwork. Texture is how something feels when we touch it with our hand. Texture can be rough, soft, or slimy. For this project, you're going to need some stencils. Take the hat stencil and trace it on the small brown piece of paper. Then you can put that to the side, and now you're going to need the shirt, pants, and head stencils. You're going to trace these on your 12 by 18 piece of manila paper. The thing is, you want them all to fit on the one piece of paper, so you need to arrange them like you see them here. Make sure they don't overlap. Next, take your crayons and decorate the Scarecrow's head. He'll need 2 eyes, a nose, a mouth, and a bow around the neck, where the cloth would tie on a scarecrow. Next, you're going to take a texture plate and put it behind your paper. Then you're going to use a crayon and color over the paper with the texture plate underneath. It's important that you don't move the paper and that you color very neatly and close together. If you're finding that your pencil lines are getting difficult to see, then you're going to want to take a black crayon or a dark color and outline your stencil tracings. Continue using the texture plates and crayons to finish coloring in the shirt and the pants. You can use different colors, and you can add details like patches that you would see on a scarecrow. If you'd like, you can add some details to your hat. Then you're going to very carefully cut out your hat, head, pants, and shirt. You're going to end up gluing them down onto a larger piece of paper to make a collage. A collage is a picture made up of cut pieces of paper and sometimes other materials. Before you glue anything, you're going to lay out your pieces on the large piece of paper to make sure that they'll fit. Make sure that the head overlaps the shirt and the shirt overlaps the pants a little bit. Then the hat goes on top. You might have to shift things around a little bit to make them fit on the paper. Then you're going to glue down each piece using 4 dots of glue. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then glue down the shirt and the head and the hat by also using 4 dots of glue on the bigger pieces and less dots on the smaller pieces. Make sure you don't glue the hat to the table. Scarecrows are stuffed with straw. So we're going to make some yellow rectangles look like they're pieces of straw poking out from the scarecrow's arms and legs. Start on one of the short ends of the rectangle and cut a slit. You're not cutting all the way to the other end of the rectangle. You're going to stop before you reach there. That way, all of the little pieces of paper won't fall apart. They'll stay together and you can glue them in one piece behind the arms and the legs. You're going to take your last fringed piece of paper and cut it in half. This is going to be for the straw hair. Tuck each piece underneath each side of the hat. If you'd like to, you can trim the hair so it's shorter for a boy.